Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TARUNEET KAUR. I hope you're all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please the subscribe button, that red color button which says subscribe, and next to that there's a bell icon as well. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's get started with today's video now. So today we have the April month's Euphorbia box. We didn't receive the March month Euphorbia box because something was under maintenance, like they are just doing some changes in the Euphorbia box, but I really like the changes and you will get to know what are the changes. So this is how it looks like. Firstly, it comes in this kind of a packaging. It says order at euphorbiabox.com, and once we're gonna open this, I just tear it off, and once we're gonna open this one, we have this box. It's the cardboard packaging and it says Euphorbia box with a cute flower. And once we gonna open this one, earlier we used to have the products like once we open the packaging, but this time they have done a really good job. So firstly, this is a reusable bag. It's a kind of a storage bag. You can store anything in this, and in this we have, you can see, first time we receive a bag in Euphorbia box, and the quality of the bag is like really good, and I loved it. So, and the combination of the bag is like, you know, black and brown, is like you can carry this bag like anywhere. You can carry this like in your hand, and you can use it as your pouch, anything. So this is the pouch. Let me just show you. See, this is the pouch, how beautiful this is, and the quality, obviously I can feel the quality is so good, but this is how it looks like. As you can see, it says, I think it's visible or not, I don't know, it says Euphorbia and a flower. So this is the bag that we received for the first time in the Euphorbia box. So yeah, once we're gonna open this bag, we have two cards right here. On the first card it says, oh Womania, we have skipped the Women's Day, but we cannot skip the importance of women's in our life. Yeah. So at the back of this card we have all the product details that we receive in this box. This is the second card we received from Good Soap In. It says Happy Women's Day, women are always beautiful. Yeah, so this is the second card that we receive. So these are all the products that we receive. Now I'm going to show you one by one what I receive in this product. I already saw whatever the products we have got, but I'm going to show you what products I got. So the first product is this one, and this is from Good Soap. This is the Glow Elixir. This is a gentle hydration for good harmony, and it says it's naturally balancing, calming and hydrating face serum for problems like oily, blemished skin and T-zone, organic content and a natural vitamin E to help the skin find its balance light, and it's fast absorbing and non-clogging. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to use this product. I really like this product, like whatever it says about the product. So this is how the outer packaging of the product, and I'm gonna show you the inner packaging. So yeah, this is how the inner packaging looks like. It's a transparent bottle. The product is also like transparent, I think so. Yeah, the product is also like a transparent product, and okay, and this is the product. As you can see, you have, it's really absorbing. Yeah, it's really absorbing. Okay, so this is the first product that we got, and you can use this as a primer as well. You can use this product as a primer, as a serum. If you're using it with your bases, your foundation, concealers, you can use this product. And yeah, this is the first product that I got. So the next product we have is this 7 C's long lasting HD lip gloss. So this is the second product. Let me just give you a quick swatch of this product. And yeah, I forgot to tell you the price of this Glow Elixir. So this cost you so this is for rupees 1299. And the next product we have is this one, and this is for rupees 399. Let me just give you a quick swatch of this product. If you can see, a beautiful color, and it's really pigmented. Let me just give you a close swatch. As you can see, it's really pigmented and the color is like so beautiful. And the next product we have is this Meenakari-Tassels Earrings, and this is for rupees 250 rupees. Let me just show you here. It's a beautiful color and a combination. These are the tassel earrings, and the quality of these is like so good. It's not like so cheap one, but yes, it's so good. Let me just go ahead and wear it. So these are the let me just first of all, and we have a thread work right here, and yeah, so this is how the earrings look like. I loved it, and these are so weightless, not too heavy, again not too light. It's like wearable. So yeah, and the last product is this one. This is the nail and cuticle hand cream. Yeah, okay, so this is the last product that we got, and it's like, yeah, so on your bare nails you have to just, you know, rub it like this. You have to massage it like this near your I cannot do it because right now I have chromes and milers on my nails, and I cannot do that. But yes, what you have to do is, for example, this is your nail, and the sides of the nail, you just have to massage it like this near your nails and your cuticles and on your nails as well. So yeah, this is the last product that we got, and this is from Aaranyam. Yeah, this is from Aaranyam. I never use any product from this company, but yes, I'm looking forward to use this one. So this is for rupees 300. This cream, this nail and cuticle cream, is for 300. You only have to pay rupees 248 plus 42 rupees shipping charges, and you will receive these 4 products. And really, it's a good grab. It's a good grab if you want to buy the Euphorbia April month's Euphorbia box. I'm going to leave the link in the bottom bar. Make sure you check that on in the description box. And also, if you want to like buy in a long term, like they have 1 month of subscription, 3 months of subscription, and 6 months of subscription, and you can buy whatever you like, whatever your pockets allow. So this is it, guys. If you want to buy the Euphorbia box, or if you want any information about the Euphorbia box, I'm gonna leave all the links and each and everything in the description box. Make sure you check that on. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So yeah, this is it, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye.